Hello and welcome to our lecture on area charts in R. Let's dive straight into it. We've already opened a new script under the name Area Chart R script. We begin, of course, by including the ggplot2 library. The next step is to get our hands on some data for our chart. Let's create a new variable, engine type, and read the stacked area chart CSV file. Are great for spotting trends, but they only work well with a few categories. As we do not have any prior knowledge of what the other category represents, we'll omit it from our chart and plot the remaining three categories instead. Meaning that first, we must remove the other category from our data. To remove a column from a data frame, we can use the dplyr library and the select function. Let's put it to the test. In a temporary variable, we select all values in our table minus the ones that are part of the other column. We find the other participants with the match function. So far, so good. Now here is where it gets a bit tricky. To plot a stacked area chart in R, we must combine the petrol, diesel, and gas into one single category. Otherwise, ggplot wouldn't be able to stack them on the same plot. We can achieve this with the reshape2 library and a function called melt. The melt function, as the name suggests, melts or combines multiple columns into one. All right, so in a new variable called newEngineFuelTypes, we'll melt our old data based on the year column. So for the first area in our chart, we have number EF2026, which is a pinkish red. Secondly, we require a color for diesel. It will be violet with the code number 7E2987. Theme, which has a clean design and a white background. So let's include a theme classic. Great, what else? To increase the breathing space for our chart, we could shift the legend to a different position. Once again, theme is used to move the legend to the upper left corner of our plot. We'll have an anchor justification with coordinates 0, 1. And we include the same coordinates for the legend position. It seems that our legend is cutting the y-coordinate. That's a bit inconvenient, but not to worry. If we move the legend a tiny bit further to the right, labels, and say the fill equals engine types. We can go ahead and choose a label for the y-axis as well, with ylab, and let the title be number of cars. And last but not least, we do need a title for our plot. The GG title reads Popularity of Engine Fuel Types from 1982 to 2016. X will have a text element with an angle of 90 and a vertical justification of 0.5. Add a continuous X scale argument, and add breaks for each year by referring to the years variable in our new engine fuel types data frame. Good job. All right, a superb stacked area chart with ggplot. Good job, everyone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lecture.